The Wyoming man face. Holy hell. Well, good morning, everybody. Current time right now is 2:45 a.m. Just gonna be getting on the road here. Just got all fueled up. See, I got here about 10 to 2 this morning, somewhere around there. Got to the truck, and we're heading out now. I'm gonna tug the trailer here. All right, it's on. Pilot's busy right now. A lot of people parking everywhere. And this right here, Car Hauler Alley, can't see anything coming from down there, which is just some hotels, so I don't think there's really anybody out and about, but you never know. So today's trip, we are going from home to Kenosha, Wisconsin. And we are going to gear up and prepare for the winter storm that's coming. Supposed to be happening today up there. They are calling for 11 inches of snow throughout all of today. "11 inches of snow today, and no, 9 inches of snow today, and then like another 3 inches, 2 or 3 inches overnight." Now, I'm gonna deliver this load today, and then my next load will be picked up tomorrow, and I'm gonna come back home. So it shouldn't be too bad. Hopefully the snow, hopefully it's not bad. That's all I have to say about it. But no matter what it is, we'll get through it. I'll have plenty of time to be able to come home and not have to worry about it too much, time-wise at least. But if it does get too bad, you know me, I try to be safety first. I will gladly shut down if I have to, if it gets too bad. But hopefully it doesn't. I'm crossing my fingers and I'm crossing my toes. I don't want it to be too bad because I want to be able to make it home, but see what happens. But I did end up coming home yesterday after getting this load, because remember we went out to Allentown and then came back home, and well, the original plan was just to go up to Kenosha and be up there. But I thought, no, let me go home, be able to help my wife with a few things. And you know, we got to go grocery shopping. We even went on a date, and that was nice. We went out to eat at a sit-down restaurant, and it was just so nice. We haven't been able to do that in a very long time, so that was really good. And then I got a couple hours of sleep, not all at once. But I did get a couple hours of sleep broken up, and then I got up at 1:15. And that was well, originally I got up like 12:50 because Diesel all of a sudden had to go outside. So I let the dogs out, laid back down. 10 minutes later, the alarm's going off. But whatever. Had to get up and had to do it. It was worth it because I went home, got to spend some extra time with my wife. Got to see the kids, and to help out with a few things, so it worked. But now we're back at it today, bright and early, if you even want to call it bright and early. I'm all fueled up. I've got winterizer, the anti-gel, I got that in my tanks. Full on def. So tanks are not gonna freeze up, I can tell you that. But it's supposed to be somewhere, from what I've seen on the weather, Kenosha's supposed to be, I think they were somewhere in the ballpark of like 10 below zero coming up overnight. So obviously I'm not going to be shutting the truck down at night. Oh, Dunkin' coffee from home. I brewed it myself. And I have, what is it, brown butter chocolate chip cookie creamer? Something like that. Oh, it's so good. It's not as good as like pumpkin spice or peppermint mocha, but, well, I take that back. It is up there with peppermint mocha. That's for sure. And it's good. As far as Jeff goes, as most of you know from previous videos, Jeff drives overnight. He's local and he drives midnights. So I was really looking forward to, you know, talking to him for a couple hours overnight here, but the route that he's doing, he's not able to for a little bit. So I'm gonna wait to hear from him until a little bit later, pretty much when he's on his way home. But I was looking forward to, well, I guess I'll just go into this one there. I thought that, usually I'm always right there on the right, but that's all right. Just a toll booth, don't overthink it, Trucker Dave, come on. Let's be smart here. Crawl through in case anybody's walking through. Nobody is, okay. Oh, that bump. I'll go back over here. But yeah, I was looking forward to talking to him, but oh well, I'll get to talk to him a little bit later on. It'll be all right. We're good. All right, we're gonna just keep on rolling here. You're not really able to see anything, I'm sure, because it's so dark out. So I will switch back to the dash one here in a little bit. About 240 miles away from Kenosha right now. So just gonna on moving. My coffee's gone. I already drank it all. It is no more. Thought about stopping somewhere, take my break, and brew some more coffee. And I'm thinking about doing that. I'm thinking about it. So, I don't know. I could go for some more coffee, but once I get up to Kenosha Park, after dropping this load, I was gonna take a quick nap just for a couple hours and then get back up. So we'll play it by ear. I'm still awake, I'm still doing fine. I just like the taste of coffee. Well, it's evening time already, believe it or not. We just cut from morning time to evening time. It's about 6:30, right? Is that what it is? 6:35. I got the video just before this one edited now, and I'm kind of getting it ready to be uploaded here soon. As far as the current weather situation goes, I thought it was going to be a little worse than this. Now, when I say that, like, the wind is really blowing. I mean, it's been rocking this truck for a long time now, ever since I parked. But as far as the snow goes, it's snowing, but the wind is just blowing it. So it's really not, like, settling down. I do have that, what would you call that there? Like a little snowbank there in front of me. There's a couple other spots that have it as well, because I'm blocking the wind sitting here like this. But it's cold. It's definitely cold. Last I checked the weather, the real feel was 19 below zero. So it's chilly. Needless to say, I'm not shutting the truck off, because if I do, I mean, I have the anti-gel in both fuel tanks, but that's not to say that sitting in 20 below zero, you know, for however long Plus, I would just get so cold. I'll be running that bunk heater all night anyway, so I might as well just, you know, run the truck, actually have some heat. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to keep it as warm as I can. Every once in a while, I bump it up on a high idle, and kind of heats the engine up a little bit more. But that's that. So we're parked here until tomorrow. The next load will be ready around noon. So I'll be able to get a little sleep tonight, and basically just kind of wait out the storm. The winter storm warning goes until 9 a.m. Saturday, and it's now Thursday. So if all goes to plan, I'll grab the load tomorrow afternoon, and then I'll be home late tomorrow night. And I'll be off for a little while. I'm taking that load home, and I'm going to sit on it for a little bit, and then I'll take it to Pennsylvania. See, I'll take it out to Pennsylvania on Tuesday. So, not the day after Christmas, but the next day. So, I appreciate everybody tuning in today. That's a wrap. That's going to be it for today. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Like these videos, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment. Really enjoy hearing from everybody. And if you're out in this weather, stay safe. Have a great day, and have a great hike.